when you share the word of God, the peace that you'll experience when you're spreading out the good news to the people. O pagdeng maraw, batoya na commission is soli weekend. That's a call. All of us are ministers. Kuna nungat yung irang naital-tal ko, orang karapat yung talatak. Arang naital-tal sungguh lotu na lewin lotu ko. They are more better than most of the ministers in our church today in the world. Why? They are faithful. They are honest. They do the work. Elevir nung tawa isilesi, arwara katu arma, lemungan ang arbito sa visi ko bango. Vida na sarwa to men doon pa. How many souls? All ministers in the church must get soul to Christ. That's the fruit of the Lord's work. And that's the fruit of the commission that has been given to us. Kakunyorere. Nangaw sana rere kino sana lenga. Jesus is coming soon.